look down at your stomach. You think it is just an engine that digests your food, but you are entirely wrong. You are not just a human. You are a walking planet, a host to trillions of alien life forms. Think about it. There are more bacterial cells inside you than your own human cells. For years, sugar, processed chemicals, constant stress, they have acted like acid rain, burning down your internal forest, leaving behind a toxic, inflamed, barren wasteland. Do you feel that constant bloating, those sudden, uncontrollable cravings for junk food, that heavy, exhausting brain fog? That is not you. Those are the bad bacteria, the survivors in the wasteland. They have hijacked your vagus nerve, and they are sending desperate signals to your brain. Feed us. They are controlling your mind. But what happens if we stop feeding the parasites? If we clean the wasteland and rebuild the second brain? I am Dr. Vitality. Breathe slowly and let us observe the 30-day timeline of the ultimate microbiome reset. Days 1 to 5. The mass die-off. As you cut out the processed sugars and refined oils, a microscopic war begins in the pitch-black void of your gut. The toxic bacteria, the parasites that thrived on your unhealthy habits, are suddenly starving. They panic. They release toxins as they die, trying to force you to eat sugar one last time. You will feel tired. You might experience a headache, a phantom hunger. Do not give in. Do not take a single step back. This is not weakness. This is the biological purge. The acid rain has finally stopped, and the barren wasteland is preparing to be cleared. Hold on. Every death is a herald of rebirth. Days 6 to 14. Structural repair. Deep inside your intestines, there is a wall, a microscopic barrier only one cell thick, the only line of defense between you and chaos. For years, it was broken, leaking toxins directly into your bloodstream, creating the chronic inflammation that made your joints ache, the fog that clouded your mind. But look closely now. Without the constant damage, your body is producing a healing, smooth, protective mucus. It acts like biological cement. Slowly, elegantly, decisively, it seals the cracks. The fortress is being rebuilt. The toxic leak has completely stopped. Inflammation is dropping, and an army that has been fighting for years is finally laying down its sword. Days 15 to 25. The rebirth of the ecosystem. As you introduce rich, natural fibers, and fermented foods, something magical happens in the dark. The good bacteria, the ancient guardians that have been with you for millions of years, are waking up. Imagine this: a scorched earth suddenly sprouting thousands of glowing, bioluminescent blue and gold plants. They multiply, they thrive, they reign. They build an incredibly complex, beautiful internal forest. And as they grow, they start producing a chemical masterpiece: serotonin. 90% of your body's happiness hormone is made right here in the dark. Your anxiety fades. A profound, unshakable calm spreads to every corner of your mind. Day 30. The second brain is fully online. Stop and look at your internal universe. No inflammation, no chaos, just a perfect, symbiotic masterpiece. Glowing, thriving life. You no longer crave what destroys you, because the parasites are history. Your digestion is flawless. Your mind is sharp as a razor. You have reclaimed your throne. You and your trillions of cells are finally functioning as one single entity. 30 days ago, there was a war inside you. The parasites were in control. They controlled your cravings. They clouded your thoughts. Now, the war is over, and the winner is you. This was not a diet. This was a revolution. I am Dr. Vitality, and with every right choice, I will be with you. Take a deep breath. Feel the absolute clarity in your gut. The reset is complete.